Today, we're going to show you how to change the text color on any website using Helperbird. First, open up Helperbird. We also want to make sure Helperbird is turned on by clicking the on switch on the top right. And once that's done, we will go to All Features and go to Colors. We'll click Open and choose Text. We can now choose a variety of preset colors. And you can see on the page it's being changed, or we can change or pick a custom color. I like that one. That's how you change the color of the text on any website using Helperbird.